There's something ironic about change, about transitioning into something new, your next phase of life. It's one of the things that challenges us to the core because it puts us into our own unknown. Change pushes us as far as we can be from our own comfort zone and then says go. But here's where the irony lies. We need change. We rely on it. It shows us our true selves, expanding our perspective and, most importantly, enabling us to grow and continue to recognize life's great opportunities, no matter what stage we are at. I've had my fair share of life transitions where I didn't know what would happen next. Fresh out of university, my career launched when I listened to that often ignored little voice we all have, and I followed an uncharted path. Ever since I was a kid, I had a dream of helping wildlife. I did and still do care deeply for the natural world. So while working in banking and helping other entrepreneurs grow their dreams, I went hugely outside my comfort zone and followed that lifelong dream, creating what was to become Canada's largest education and rehabilitation centre for abandoned exotic wildlife. I was helping those amazing animals every day and educating a new generation to have a deep respect for wildlife and the environment. I remember thinking that life owes me nothing more. I was as happy as I thought I could be, making a difference and authoring my own living legacy. I wanted to share this feeling of complete self-alignment with one's values, share it with the world. I thought to myself, others need to know what exists when you shift your life out of neutral and press the gas pedal. That feeling of self-fulfillment. That led to my next transition, working with hundreds of businesses and thousands of individuals to help them grow something that they truly felt connected to, opening their perspectives to the idea of not settling and embracing their own unknown. Amongst the many stories was a microfinancing program in Kenya where we helped entrepreneurs grow their independence and provide for their families. An entrepreneurship program to help military personnel start their own businesses, and an academy to help retiring professional athletes find careers off the field. All this guided me to where I am today. Through those defining transitions in my life, helping thousands conquer their own set of changes, my journey now continues, committed to helping individuals redefine what retirement could and should be for each of us. A winning lottery ticket that we need to cash in now. Delivering programs to companies and individuals worldwide, my message is that retirement embraces much more than just financial responsibility. It's about understanding that this critical life transition consists of an identity shift, and most importantly, a need for new purpose and future aspirations. It's embracing the unstructured freedom that we all crave and grabbing the helm to become revitalized, re-inspired, to actively create your next phase of life. Taking the years of personal and professional experience, the Mind Switch Academy helps individuals craft a complete transition roadmap, bringing out the fullness of life and the habits to keep it bright and uniquely theirs.
Using the Mind Switch Academy, I was able to open up a production company of my own.
Mind Switch Academy helped me figure out what my life was missing. Gave me a real process to follow, and at every step, my confidence increased.
I just want to thank Scott for all the advice in helping me transition into a new future.
Even though embracing change is one of the most challenging things we can do, in change, the forgotten and unknown dreams of your true self are revealed. Change not only expands our perspective, but allows us to become the people we always knew we could be.